What the grounded cognition theory says is that our mind is not something abstract, is not something disconnected from our body. Instead, our mind is always speaking with our body, that in turn is speaking with our environment. I'm a psychologist, so you may wonder why I'm studying human thermal sensitivity. The main interest in my research is try to understand how much the environment can affect our cognition, so the way we behave, the way we perceive. Because we are always inside an environment, it's not something that we cannot take care of. So I decided, okay, let's see how the environment can affect our cognition. But then I found out that there was nothing about our sensitivity to the environmental temperature, so we had to take a step back and understand if we are aware of our environment, of the temperature of our environment, and from there then start with other kind of investigations. Usually what we do with our participants is to ask them to wear some skin sensors so we can record their skin temperature. Then we go inside the climate chambers with the participants, and there they have just to move between the chambers and to compare the temperature they feel inside the chambers. And they have to do that for a lot of times, for a total of 120 comparisons. And at the end, with this data, we are able to say what was the sensitivity of the participant. Our results were pretty surprising, let me say this. We discovered we are very, very sensitive, and indeed we are able to always perceive a difference in temperature of just 0.92 degrees. And the second pretty surprising result was the small variability between our participants. So we are not aware that we are so able to detect temperature changes. Still we are, and we are all the same. We are also trying to investigate a little bit more, and what we did first was to see whether different colors of the lights can improve or not our thermal sensitivity. And the second step was to go outside the comfortable range of temperature we tested in the first experiment. There are a lot of open questions about these results. They are interesting for me, they are very interesting. What we could try to investigate in future is also the mechanism behind this sensitivity. Is the whole body working together? There are some parts that are more reliable, some less. What's happening? Now I cannot answer.